Okay guys, welcome back to my channel again. This video is just going to be making altered paper clips for a Facebook swap. So if you hear me like congested and snuffly, that's because I have been suffering from vertigo for, well, since off and on since August, but it's gotten really bad. And my husband and I have been researching and going by what the ER told me when I was there, which is it's an inner ear issue, hopefully, because we did a CT scan and all that craziness, and that's part of why I wanted to do the D-Stash sale. I'm hoping to make enough money to offset some of my medical bills. Holy moly, that was expensive. It was $153 just for the what do you call it? Copay. And then a CT scan, an EKG, and x-rays, blood work, IV medication. So you know it's going to be expensive. So at any rate, we're working on this, and this is going to be an altered paper clip. I'm going to make sure I have paper clips up here. If not, I'll have to go get one. This is part of a swap, like I said, on Facebook, and it is 3-of-a-kind fall themed altered paper clips, and I don't have a paper clip there. And I have really cool stuff in here, but I don't have a paper clip that I can see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get a paper clip, guys. Hold on. Whoops. Okay, so I'm back with paper clips. This might be overkill, but this is a fairly large. This is a fairly large. Find a nice one. A fairly large. Well, I don't know if that's going to work because this needs to be hidden. Maybe if I do it this way. This part of the paper clip needs to be hidden. So I'm going to have to find a small paper clip, guys. Well, we'll do all of it but that, and then I'll come back with a small paper clip. Okay, so here's basically my 3 parts. We got the back, the front, and the middle. This is the front. This is the back. The cereal box is the middle, and then my decoration right there. And we'll do some more embellishing, but let's just get to there. So we're going to glue this down, and for this part I'm just going to use my art glitter glue, simply because it should hold good on this. Hopefully you can see that. Again, a big thanks to all of you who came to my sale today. Like I said, it's just basically, like I said, part of the process was to just make a little extra money. The other part of the process was to have fun and to reduce the amount of extra things that I have. Okay, so this is the back, and I want the back to be a basic gray. Just a basic gray. because it is the back. Oh, and you know what? It may not matter that that paper clip shows. Right, and this is going to be the middle. And this guy, I don't know if I want him to go, yeah, he has to go this way because I cut him to fit that direction. Goes this way. Oops, I messed up. Well, I'm going to have to cut another piece, guys. I totally messed up. This should have been the back, and it should have been gray. This should have been the front, and it should have been this other color. So, that's okay. We can do another one. So it's going to go this way. Got to flip it over. I think this is right. Good thing I have a whole sheet of this. Uh-oh, that's not going to work. Whole sheet of this paper. Because I feel like I'm going to wind up using it. Let's go to right there. Feel like I'm going to use it. Oh, so we were researching. And I trust my husband for many reasons. He's a smart man. And he's been YouTubing inner ear and all this stuff. So tonight we're gonna see if it might be, we're gonna see which side I'm affected. If you have crystals, I guess, hopefully you either have them on the right or the left. And if you have them on both sides, you might not be able to fix them, is what we're finding out. But we'll see. Okay. Alrighty. And then these are just little extras that I'm going to gift the person who receives this. And these are really nice. The decorative little bows, everything on this little die cut set is cute. Now I did order some more dies for die cutting, and they're on their way. I won't get a lot of them until December. Hopefully I'll get them before then, but I ordered them, and I am determined, as I always am, to try and stay ahead of the holidays, but that doesn't always seem to be the case. So here we go. All right, so now this should fit. Nope, it's still backwards. Okay, we got one for the, I guess if I were to put it, no, that's just straight up backwards. All right, so let's see. If I were to do it this way, and we were to make this the front, yeah, that would work. And then this the back. It's going to be a little stiffer than I thought, but that's okay. I mean, yeah, we'll make this guy the front, and then glue another piece on, and then we'll make this guy the back. All right, so here we go. Gluing again, guys. So we're gonna test and see if maybe I have crystals in my ear, and hopefully I have them either on the right or the left, not both, so that we can do there's some sort of, yeah, lay down and tilt your head and all this other stuff. So hopefully that will help. And then the guy shows an example with a hula hoop. You know what I think? I think I'll put you there. And then this guy here. And hopefully I'll be beyond this vertigo, because I'm pretty sick of vertigo. Okay, I just gotta line these up a little nice. Now what's nice is if these are a little bit off, we can come in later and trim them up. Let's see if we can come around and trim this up. I think I need a little more glue there. But at any rate, if it doesn't work, all of these different things like sticking garlic in your ear and tilting your head and all this other craziness, then I'll have to go back to the doctor. But man, I just don't understand how things can be so stinking expensive. All right, so there we go. There's the front, and that looks pretty good. And then here's the back. Get that guy glued on. Yeah, that's the back. And oh, what we need, I want to see if this paper clip's gonna stick out. Oh, I did that totally wrong too. It's gotta go. I have to make another one of these, because this has got to go on the back side. But it's not going to show. That's the good news. All right, let me make another one of these, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I was in luck. Sorry about moving the camera there. I was in luck because this fit great, and the paper clip doesn't show really a lot once it's glued together. So we're going to add the second piece. This is going to be one solid altered paper clip, though, I'm going to tell you. Okay, so we got this. Now we're going to add, yeah, we're going to add, oh, I almost messed up again. We're going to add the decorative piece, yeah. Well, I'll get this straight here in a minute. We're going to add this piece. And it's going to be the gray, as we discussed. It's going to go this way. Then this paper clip's going to go on here. And then this piece goes on here. And then we're going to smush it all down. I may need some more. I might need more glue. So it does show in the back, but you're not gonna really see that. And I could actually lift that up some, which I will. I'll smash this all down. There we go. And I think I'll put a charm on there. And anything that is sticking out, I'm going to ink anyhow. All right, so we got that, which is cute. Now all I'm going to do is find the really cool piece I had here. I'm going to add that little bow tie and some fall colored I have some seam binding. Oh, you know what I really have that I think would be cute? Is this guy. This guy right here. We're going to go. I think that should be big enough. We're going to put him here. Yeah, this will work great. So this was just a crazy idea born out of is it going to work or isn't it? And then this needs to come up to the bow. Get that. I'm going to glue that kind of heavy. Yeah, that works. And then I'm going to go in and trim some of this off. Okay, guys, you get the idea. That goes there. And then this bow will go here. Just like that. Let that dry. And then I got to add a little piece of ribbon down there. I want it to go under though. Go under here. And resemble a bow. That's going to do it. And then a bow here. And we'll cut that at an angle. All right, I think that might work. And voila. We now have an altered paper clip. Now I am going to, I think, put a little charm on that. So there's one. And then I had shown earlier in my sale that I had made some other ones, but I'm not right offhand. I don't know where I put them, and I'm probably not going to look for them. But there you go, guys. Altered paper clip, fall themed, and I may put some silver paint up there. Let me do that silver, just so it looks a little, you know, more. I don't know. I don't know, but there it is. And then this would go on your fall theme journal like that. Oh, and by the way, those leaves in the middle are actually real. I used a paper punch and punched those out of real leaves. Okay, guys, there you go. I'm going to send a couple of extras just because that one's a little rudimentary, but I mean, it's okay. All right, you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.